Huge tension has been erupted during the protest of untainted teachers in Kolkata after police had to lathi charge on the protesting teachers during the sitting dharna in front of Vikas Bhavan in Salt Lake. Right now I am present in front of Education Department headquarters in Kolkata, which is Vikas Bhavan, and all the untainted teachers who lost their jobs after the Supreme Court verdict. Supreme Court passed an order directed that all the tainted and untainted teachers will lose their job, and almost 26,000 teachers lost their jobs after this verdict. And since then the movement is going on in Kolkata, and the untainted teachers started agitation in front of Vikas Bhavan since this morning in Salt Lake, and they started sitting dharna in front of Vikas Bhavan and continued the dharna over here. And the allegation is the goons, the huge number of goons from the TMC were brought over here to remove them from this from the road. Right now the time is almost 12 o'clock in the midnight, and still we can see a huge number of teachers. There are almost 400 teachers, untainted teachers are continuing the sitting dharna in front of the Education Department headquarters. They are sitting on the road in Salt Lake right now in the midnight, and the allegation is police lathi charged on the protesting teachers over here on them in the evening, and the police is claiming that these teachers during the protest they blocked the main gate of Vikas Bhavan, which is the department headquarters of Education Department, and they blocked the main gate. They broke down the main gate of a government office, and all the official staffs, the government employees, were stuck inside the government office. They were not allowed to leave the government office because of the movement was conducting by the teachers, and a few of the government employees were also injured by the agitating teachers. After that, police had to lathi charge on the protesting teachers, and the teachers are claiming that a few of them have been injured. The teachers are claiming that a few of them have been injured after police lathi charge on them, and police is also claiming that stones are pelted on police by the agitating teachers. Right now, we would like to talk to one of the protesting teachers. हालत ऐसा क्या बिगड़ गया था जिनके वजह से पुलिस को लाठी चार्ज करना पड़ा आप लोगों के ऊपर?
देखिए, हम लोग सुबह से यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए थे और बोल रहे थे क्या हम लोगों को जो बोलना था, जो मेन जो हम लोगों को जो प्रोटेस्टिंग का बात हुआ था, जो हम लोग को जस्ट ये पूछा गया था जे हम लोग को ठीक से जो शांतिपूर्ण अवस्थान कर रहे थे, बट वो लोग को वो बोलना था जे आप शांतिपूर्ण अवस्थान नहीं कर रहे। हाँ, बट हम लोग क्या विकास भवन के अंदर जो सब लोग थे, हम लोग उसको कोई मतलब आघात नहीं पहुंचे, कोई इंजर्ड।
Police is claiming that stones were pelted on them. They were injured, and all the government employees were stuck inside the government office, and they were not allowed to leave because of your movement.
Yes, actually, one of the motive was that if we lock them, if we just stop them inside the room, then there can be happen something. Okay, there can happen something. Okay, but we are not forcing that we were not pelting the stones or etc. That's that in the moment, and there can happen something that does not hamper the police, that does not injure the authorities. But yes, we were just surround that office, and they were not able to come out from the office. That's true, but not we are doing this because the illegalities, whatever happened, that we were not just we have been thrown away, that we have not done anything, and why we are suffered for this. Whatever happened, whatever the things done, the government has done, the authorities have done, and we were claiming that please give us, please do some way.
That is the thing. The ruling party, Trinamool Congress, is saying that you have to go to Supreme Court, the Honorable Apex Court, to get a solution. Why you are continuing the sitting dharna in front of this office in Kolkata?
Because Supreme Court told us that you give a fresh recruitment policy, recruitment process. You come to a fresh recruitment process. But we told them that we were telling the office that we have done nothing. So why we will again sit in the exam and we will give again the test that we already crossed that all the.
You are untainted teacher and you are innocent. That's why you are not willing to give the examination again.
Yes.
We would like to ask one more.
We are not in a position to do that because we were in a position because of 7 years, almost 7 years. And before 7 years, what I had that situation that time, and now what I had the situation. We all of them had the families, and with those family restrictions, lot of female teachers there. How they will do this? Because our position has completely changed. And now if you ask someone that give the exams, what you have given the 7 years before, and now again you will give this is not a same situation. If you comparison that situation, you cannot do that. You cannot do that because we are in a family life. Our children are there. Our aged fathers and mothers are there. Our parents are ill. So with these conditions, we cannot do the whatever effort we have given in the exams before 6 and 7 years. Now we are not able to do that. So
thank you so much. So, after spending 7 years in school, right now they are not willing to sit in examination again. After the Supreme Court verdict, I would like to talk to another protesting teacher. आप लोगों की तरफ से कितने लोग घायल हुए जब लाठीचार्ज हुआ था पुलिस की तरफ से?
अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1000 घायल है और घायल है। पुलिस ने जबरदस्ती हम लोग तो निरस्त थे, ठीक है, निरस्त लोग के ऊपर, और हम लोग यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट करने आए थे। पुलिस बिना परमिशन के लाठी चलाए हम लोगों के ऊपर। क्यों चलाए हम लोगों को पता नहीं है। बहुत सारे लोग, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1000 घायल है। कुछ टीचर्स का आंख चले गए हैं, हेड इंजरी है, बहुत टीचर्स को ऑक्सीजन सपोर्ट देना पड़ रहा है और पैड भी टूट गया है, ऐसे भी है। और बस फीमेल टीचर ही असोल्ट भी हुआ है पुलिस की तरफ से।
Thank you so much. So would like to show the visuals over here. Right now it's almost 12 and 10 o'clock in the midnight, and lots of teachers, the agitating teachers, are continuing sitting dharna over here on the road. They're sitting on the road right now in the midnight, and they're continuing the dharna in front of the Education Department headquarters. And they're raising two allegations, two serious allegations. One is against Bengal police and another is against the ruling party. They're alleging, they're raising the allegation that goons of TMC, goons of state ruling party Trinamool Congress were brought over here to remove them from this movement, from the road, and they were beaten up by the TMC goons. They were allegedly attacked by the TMC goons over here for continuing the sitting dharna. And another allegation is police lathi charge on the protesting teachers when they were continuing the peaceful protest over here. And right now it's raining, it's heavily raining right now, and ignoring everything, they're continuing the sitting dharna in midnight in Kolkata right now. Also, police is claiming that because of their movement, a lot of government employees were stuck inside the government office. They have been injured by the teachers, by the protesting teachers. The government office have been vandalized. The main door have been vandalized by the teachers. That is also claims coming from the police authority. But the teachers have denied every allegation raised by the police, and they are claiming the teacher will be continuing the peaceful protest over here until they are getting a solution. They are seeking, they are demanding the chief minister should come over here and assure them. But until they will continue the dharna until they are getting any permanent solution from the government of West Bengal. With camera person Tapas Beri, this is Rajesh Shah for India Today, Kolkata.